So here's one of our parent graphs, y equals 1 over x. You should have an idea of what that graph looks like. That's the one with our two asymptotes. It's translated 3 units left and 2 units up. What is its new equation? So, number of ways that we can do it. You could go just right to the answer in this question. So if I started with y equals 1 over x and I wanted to go 3 units to the left, right. The 3 is going to be x plus 3 where the x was, and 2 units up, plus 2. Excellent. So this is how we could go directly to the equation. Now sometimes if they're not equations that you're comfortable with, or even if we started with an equation that looked a lot different, like that one that I had factored before, x plus 3, x plus 6. Might be a little bit more awkward to do that. Sometimes people like to do this same question by showing all the work with the function notation. So what I'm going to say is if my original function is 1 over x, my original function is 1 over x, and my question says it's 3 to the left and 2 up. In function notation, the 3 to the left would happen inside the function, and the 2 up happens after. How do I show that? Well, in function notation, what has happened? Where the x was now gets replaced with x plus 3. And I have a plus 2 at the end, so plus 2 at the end. So that's how you can use your function notation if you'd like to show it. If you can go to it directly like we did in the blue, that's great. But if you had something where you're a little bit unsure of what it would look like, the function notation breaks up the transformations really easily. And then you just have to say, do I know where things go? And what's inside the x replaces the x, and what's outside just stays outside in the end. 12, 13, 14, and 15.